If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Elden Ring, follow these steps to help resolve the problem. This guide will walk you through the process of disabling features that may be causing the desync. Step 1. Access game settings. Launch Elden Ring and navigate to the main menu. From there, select Settings to access the game as configuration options. Step 2. Adjust audio settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Audio section. Here, you can adjust various audio settings. Look for options related to sound effects and voice chat, and try lowering their volume or disabling them temporarily. Step 3. Check video settings. Next, navigate to the graphics or video settings. Ensure that your frame rate settings match your display's refresh rate. Sometimes, mismatched settings can lead to audio desync issues. Step 4. Update drivers. Exit the game and check for updates for your audio and graphics drivers. Go to the manufacturer's website for your hardware like NVIDIA or AMD and download the latest drivers. After updating, restart your computer. Step 5. Restart the game. After making the necessary adjustments and updates, relaunch Elden Ring. Test the game to see if the audio desync issue has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize or eliminate audio desync in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's official support for further assistance.